Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about some chemical properties of acids. Acids react with metals to liberate hydrogen gas. Acids react with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates to liberate carbon dioxide gas. Now we discuss about another activity. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose contain hydrogen. Compounds such as alcohols are CH3OH, methyl alcohol, and C6H12O6, glucose, and C12H22O11, sucrose, and C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. These compounds contain hydrogen, CH3CO, CH3OH, C6H12O6, C12H22O11, C5C2H5OH. These are contain hydrogen, but these do not categorize as acids. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose contain hydrogen, but are not categorized as acids. So compounds such as glucose, alcohol contain hydrogen, but do not categorize as acids. అంటే గ్లూకోజ్ ఆల్కహాల్ అనేవి హైడ్రోజన్ కలిగి ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా అవి ఆమ్లాలు కావు అని చెప్పి మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. డిస్క్రైబ్ an activity to prove it. అంటే ఇక్కడ CH3OH methyl alcohol, C6H12O6 glucose, C12H22O11 sucrose, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. These compounds contain hydrogen, but these compounds cannot categorize as acids, and we can prove it. Some activity procedure, some experiment setup. Take a large beaker, and take rubber cork and two graphite rods, and dilute HCl solution, or we can prepare glucose solution and alcohol solution and some hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid solution, and dilute sulfuric acid solution, and dilute NaHNO3 solutions. So these are the experimental setup. We can take two different current wires. These current wires connect to two different electrodes, or one act as a positive electrode and another act as a negative electrode. So these are connected to the two ends of wires, connected to 230 volts AC plug, and also connected to bulb. So prepare solutions of glucose and alcohol. First of all, we can prepare solutions of glucose and alcohol and given acidic solutions. So fix two graphite rods on rubber cork. And place the cork in a beaker as shown in the figure. Fix two graphite rods on a rubber cork and place the cork in a beaker as shown in the figure. So connect the rods to the two terminals of the 230 volts AC plug through a bulb. Connect these two rods. Connect the rods to the two terminals of 230 volts AC plug through a bulb. Now pour glucose solution and switch on the current. So beaker can fill with glucose solution. C6H12O6 గ్లూకోజ్ సొల్యూషన్ ని బేకర్ లో ఫిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత we connect the bulb 230 volts AC plug. Now pour glucose solution and switch on the current. The bulb does not glow. The bulb does not glow. Hence, the glucose solution does not conduct electricity. So, we can fill beaker filled with glucose solution. The bulb does not glow. Hence, we can observe glucose solution does not conduct electricity. The bulb does not glow. The source glucose solution does not conduct electricity. Does not conduct electricity. Repeat this experiment with alcohol solution. Repeat this experiment with the alcohol solution. Alcohol solution in the beaker. The bulb does not glow. The bulb does not glow again. So repeat this experiment with the alcohol solution. Alcohol solution. C2H5OH. C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol solution. So in this case, the bulb does not glow. In this case, repeat this experiment with alcohol solution in the beaker. The bulb does not glow again. That means alcohol solution does not conduct electricity. Alcohol solution does not conduct electricity. Hence, in these two situations, beaker filled with glucose solution and the beaker filled with alcohol solution, in these two cases, the bulb does not glow. Hence, we can observe the glucose solution and alcohol solution does not conduct electricity. Does not conduct electricity. Hence, glucose solution and alcohol solution contain hydrogen, but the absence of ions in the solution. So, due to the absence of ions in glucose and alcohol solution, they do not conduct electricity. So, any kind of solution can conduct electricity. That solution contain ions, but some solutions does not contain any ions. So, these substances are dissolved in water, but the molecular state has remained. So, glucose and alcohol does not dissociate in the ions. So, glucose and alcohol does not dissociate in water to produce H plus ions. So, glucose and alcohol does not dissociate in water, does not produce H plus ions. Any solution contain ions, that solution act as a electrolyte. But glucose and alcohol does not contain H plus ions. These are not contain ions, but these solutions do not conduct electricity, even though they contain hydrogen. But so glucose and alcohol contain hydrogen, but these are not categorized as acids. Glucose and alcohol are not categorized as acids. So because they do not produce H plus ions in aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions అంటే ఈ గ్లూకోజ్ గాని అలాగే ఆల్కహాల్ గాని వాటర్ గాని డిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే అలాంటి వాటిని aqueous solutions అంటాం. ఈ aqueous solutions అనేవి does not produce H plus ions. Above activity we can connect with dilute HCl solution or dilute H2SO4 solution, dilute HMO2 solution or dilute acetic acid solution. In the same activity, the bulb does glow in the dilute HCl solution, presence of HCl solution. Hence, the dilute HCl contain H plus ions. So the bulb does glow. This shows that HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH solutions conduct electricity. So on which solution the bulb glow, that solution conduct electricity. So because HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH dissociate in water to produce H plus ions, hence these are acidic nature. So the same activity asked another type of question. So acids and the acids can be categorized strong acids and weak acids. We can conduct the same activity. So we can take HCl solution. HCl solution is bigger, so we can connect the 230 volts AC plug. We can observe the intensity of bulb. The intensity of bulb is very high in acidic solution, HCl hydrochloric solution. Hence, hydrochloric solution, hydrochloric acid completely dissociate in H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Hence, these are strong acid. But instead of HCl, we can use dilute acetic acid. Dilute acetic acid. So dilute acetic acid. So we can observe the intensity of bulb in the comparing the HCl solution and the acidic solution. The intensity of bulb is very low. Hence, the acetic acid is weak acid. So acetic acid in water does not dissociate completely. So partially can dissociate the ions H plus CH3 COO minus. So some part of acetic acid dissociate H plus ions and some part of